Hey everyone, how's it going? So before this video gets started, if you want to save money on gas, if you're still paying full price for gas and you feel like you're still spending too much money on gas, there's a way to get 15 cents off per gallon if you use my code and link in the description down below for an app called Get Upside. Again, if you use my special promo code, you'll get 15 cents off per gallon. All of my friends use it, all of us use it. It's a new app. And I honestly can't believe that more people aren't using it. So if you haven't started yet using it, or at least try it out once and get 15 cents off per gallon. And then for life, you'll get discounts on your gas. And if you can refer a couple of your friends to use your code and link too, you can get up to 99 cents off per gallon, even more. It's crazy. You'll never have to pay full price for gas again. Use the link in the description down below for Get Upside. All right, now let's get on to the video. What's up everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I know I'm turning into, I don't even know what it is. My hair is literally so long. I walked into a door yesterday, 2 days ago. I don't know, my life is, yeah, it's getting bad. But today I wanted to update you guys all with my EIDL loan. Or EIDL, which is the Economic Injury Disaster Loan. It is basically a loan for small business owners, and I know it's been such a long process. They announced it over 2 months ago now. Some people have gotten the money. It was basically the $10,000 forgivable loan, or $1,000 forgivable loan, put in place by the SBA, the Small Business Administration. They said Uber drivers can qualify, independent contractors, self-employed people, freelance workers, gig workers, and small business owners to help with the downfall of, business during the coronavirus pandemic. I know for me, my business's revenue has gone down quite a bit. I did qualify for the PPP loan. I got a $5,000 deposit into my account for that. I didn't even apply for PUA or unemployment benefits because that is reserved for people who are laid off. And the way I have my business set up is I have a business, a company, and then I'm an employee of the company. So I've still been getting my normal salary, however you want to call it. I'm the only employee of the company, but that's how it works. But the EIDL, interestingly enough, so I applied 2 months ago or so for the $10,000 thing, $1,000 thing, and then like a few weeks later I got an email saying it was accepted, I guess, and that they're processing it. And then I want to show you guys this email, or I can take you guys into my portal. I might have to, cross out some stuff just so you guys don't see everything. I don't want you guys, okay, look, literally my hair, bro. It's embarrassing. All right, here we go. So, SBA application number 3. Well, maybe I shouldn't show those numbers, but it goes, create your SBA Economic Injury Disaster Loan portal account. Your SBA application is ready for the next step. Create your SBA Economic Injury Disaster Loan portal account to provide additional information, details or requested documents. That part I crossed out. That's my application number. Probably doesn't matter if people know what my application number is, but whatever. I'm not gonna put that in there. So you go to create an account wherever. Let me just log in and show you guys, because I was like freaked out. So let me just log in really quick. And I did a little bit of research here, and I'm just gonna show you basically what I got. So here we go. Look at this. Up top, the Rideshare Hub LLC, that's my company name. Status eligible for $44,000 and $44,100. And it goes, I'm eligible, please review the loan amount. So, wow, that's a lot of money, $44,000. So it says I'm eligible to receive it, please review the loan amount. So I gotta verify my identity first. The reason I haven't done that yet is because I was doing some research. I guess I can just review this before I accept it. Yeah, so basically, okay, here we go. So first I clicked on this and it goes select amount of loan. So I basically am able to choose which amount I want, either from anywhere from $1,000 to $44,000. My term is 30 years. It's a 30-year loan, interest rate 3.75. It's honestly a pretty decent rate. I mean, it's honestly like a mortgage for your house. Payment monthly, repayment start. I mean, I don't know. If you guys are into real estate, let me know what the current mortgage rate is, like in California or something. I mean, 375 is not horrible. It's not, I mean, I would like to have it lower, but like I got my car loan for like 2% or something. But that was like ridiculously low because I went through a credit union. But my payment amount is $215. So honestly, I could technically get this loan, but I was doing some research and take a look at this, guys. So this is the EIDL. It's the economic injury disaster loan. So it goes, if you received an EIDL between January 31st and April 3rd, 2020, and you apply for a forgivable paycheck protection and then refinance your EIDL into the PPP, you can essentially have your EIDL forgiven. So I got the PPP, the Paycheck Protection Program. What is the Paycheck Protection Program? It's essentially just to cover, well, you can get a larger loan amount, but the part that's forgivable is payroll to pay your employees. So I basically am still getting my paycheck or whatever, like my monthly paycheck. So that part is the only forgivable part. And I think there's like mortgage interest and rent. I don't know I don't really know exactly. But from this thing, from everything I heard, it's basically just a loan, a normal loan. It's not really like I mean, I didn't really see any, yeah, look at this one here. This is on Forbes. So, I mean, I'll trust Forbes. It goes, unlike the Paycheck Protection Program PPP loan, EIDLs do not have a forgiveness aspect. However, any advance funds that you received will not be included in the loan. So the part that was forgivable, and this is where it gets tricky, is the advanced part. So when I applied for this, I checked a box saying I would like to receive an advance of $10,000. So I heard a tax professional say this, and I'm not a CPA, I'm not a certified public accountant. Actually, this guy here, I highly recommend him. He's a tax professional and he makes videos on YouTube just talking. His name's Clear Value Tax. He didn't tell me specifically, but he makes these updates with like the stimulus check and just, I mean, check it out. It's tax stuff, you know, finance stuff. But he said that basically how it works is you can qualify for a big loan and then take an advance of that loan, and then the advance is forgivable. So I never got the advance, I just got the loan. So I never got an advance, basically. So basically this $44,000 loan is just a loan. And I mean, I guess I could take it out, I don't know. I don't know if I really need $44,000 right now. Like, I don't know what I would even do with 44,000 bucks. Yeah, monthly, like I said. And literally I could just click accept. Like, selecting a loan does not mean your allowance has been approved. Further review of the application will be conducted. So, I mean, yeah, this is how much I can choose the loan amount. So, yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I just wanted to update you guys all. If you have applied for EIDL, let me know if you got the advance or if you got something similar to this. Thank you guys so much, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Stay safe. Bye.